Hey ladies, welcome back to another wig install. Today's wig is from Domiso Hair. They are located on Amazon. This is their straight wear and go glueless wig. It's 100% human hair, 180% density. To me, it's honestly 150% density, but that's a conversation for a different day. I have her in 24 inches. Now the lace on this one does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and also pre-bleached as well with the tiny knots. Now I will say that they did do a really good job on this lace. It's supposed to mimic like a skin lace. That's what they're referring it to, meaning it's very thin, and it is also a 8x5 closure, so you can part it however you choose. However, I left it at a middle part, but you do have room to switch it up. So per the usual, I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing. They did send some goodies along with the wig in itself. Straight out the box, the hair was very soft. It was very silky. It was very flowy. It was very shiny as well. Now the wig cap is designed to fit comfortable around your ears. It has the comb in the back for security and also the adjustable elastic band. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation all over this lace. That is truly important. Then I'm going to throw her on, make sure everything is centered, and I'm going to get rid of all the hair that is covering the lace a little bit because I want to make sure I have a clean space to work with. The lace did look like it was going to melt beautifully, but because the wig cap was just a little too loose on me, I will be going in with some lace melting spray to keep her still. So now it's time to work on the rest of the hair. This is a silky straight texture, so styling her is going to be very easy. I'm keeping it very basic today, you guys. I just went in with my flat iron to kind of just touch up the hair a little bit because we did just take her out of the box. Now, just like I said earlier, the brand is promoting this to be 180% density, but I'm pretty sure you guys can tell from this video, she is very thin, so I would not consider this 180% density. I would definitely say she's more on the 150 side, and because this is a silky straight texture, I did realize that as I was straightening her, the hair was getting very staticky, it was getting very frizzy, and I really do not like that. So I did my trick where I actually add some holding spray on my rat tail comb, and then I kind of just comb through the hair to help out with all the flyaways that I was having. There are some hairsprays that can help with that as well. I think I have one, but I honestly don't know where it went. I think I might have thrown it out by accident. I can't remember. But anyways, I also did realize that the ends of this hair were very stringy. And I don't like that, so I just cut those pieces off. But other than that, the hair was fine. The shedding was very minimal. I did not have any issues with tangling. Smell wise, coming straight out the box, it did have a pretty perfumey smell, so just keep that in mind. The hair overall was very flowy. It was very soft, very bouncy kind of. I'm not sure how this hair would take curls. I did not test it out, but if you test it out, let me know how that goes. Other than that though, it's a very basic, everyday, beginner friendly wig. My favorite thing about this wig, I will say the lace. I think they did a really good job on the lace. The lace does stop before my natural edges, which is why I stayed to a middle part, but you can switch it up if you like. Make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Everything is listed there. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next time.